But from a liquidity perspective, Ringo, how attractive does the Singapore market look? And what more can the market do to draw more such products or more such listings, actually?
I see. Well, because for Singapore in the past several years, you can see that the average size of IPOs are declining. And also, even after the IPO, the liquidity is not that good. This is not what Singapore government would love to see. And so the MAS and also various authorities try their best to promote Singapore as an international finance hub, competitor of Hong Kong. So that's why they would like to introduce new products. SPAC is one of the interesting topics, and it is so popular in U.S. in the last quarter or in the second half of the year in last year. And so that's why Singapore pushed hard and become one of the first market to have the SPAC. And that will bring more companies that may be considering to be listed in Hong Kong or, say, Malaysia or other ASEAN countries, but they would prefer to go for this Singapore SPAC IPO if they get this opportunity. They may get higher price or PE multiples, and then the market, you can see that even just a blank check company, they get 26 times oversubscription. So this is something trying to attract companies to be listed in Singapore.
Ringo, what's going to happen to the traditional IPO route then? Is that going to be waning?
Well, not exactly, because right now, SPAC may be seen as an alternative path. In Hong Kong, when they have the consultation paper, they talk about the SPAC as an alternative or even as an simultaneously running path for the IPO candidate. That means maybe they have IPO, normal traditional IPO application, but simultaneously they are talking to some SPAC company, and then they can use reverse takeover path to de-SPAC their company, those SPAC company to become the listco by reverse takeover, and then they become the listed company. In doing this, the traditional IPO may just have the banker who determine the price range and then do the roadshow. But for the SPAC path, they can negotiate with the SPAC promoter and get the consent or get the agreement about the price and then go for the corporate.